Tiny tusks, tiny tusks. Who am I? Who am I? I have a trunk that I sway. I have large ears that flap and wave. I love to splash and take a bathe. My tusks are long and white as snow. Through the jungle I gently go. Can you guess who I might be? Yes, yes, it's an elephant. It's an elephant, you see. My mane is golden, thick and bright. I roam the savanna day and night. I roar so loud it shakes the ground. With my pride I'm always found. My paws are big, my claws are sharp. I'm the king of my land, not a lark. Can you guess who I might be? Yes, yes, it's a lion, you see. My stripes are black and white, you know. I live where the wild grasses grow. I run so fast across the plains. In herds you'll find me with no reins. I graze all day and sleep at night. My coat is such a lovely sight. Can you guess who I might be? Yes, yes, it's a zebra. It's a zebra, you see. I swing from trees with so much grace. My tail helps me in this. Bananas are my favorite treat. I chatter with my friends and meet. My hands are small but oh so quick. In the jungle I'm quite a trick. Can you guess who I might be? Yes, yes, it's a monkey. It's a